Welcome back to Product Critique, where we help you discover the best products to make life easier and more fun. In today's review, we're diving into what we believe are the best heart candy molds on the market, the 3-piece heart silicone mold set by feehope. Let's start with the basics. This set includes 3 rose red heart molds, each designed to deliver 12 uniform heart shapes per batch. Whether you're a baker, crafter, or just someone who loves heart-shaped anything, this mold is a must-have. Now, what makes this mold truly stand out is its durable, food-safe silicone construction. It's flexible, non-stick, and can handle heat up to 428 degrees Fahrenheit. That means you can use it confidently in both the oven and microwave. The silicone is also odor-resistant, which keeps your treats fresh and free from unwanted smells, even after repeated use. When it comes to demolding, this product really shines. The smooth, non-stick surface allows your creations, whether it's chocolate, gummies, soap, or resin, to pop out easily without tearing or breaking. And if you've dealt with the struggle of stuck candies before, you'll appreciate how effortless cleanup is. While it's dishwasher safe, hand washing is recommended to maintain its lifespan and color vibrancy. But this mold isn't just for the kitchen. It's a versatile tool that fits into DIY projects of all kinds. Crafting candles? Making resin keychains? Or perhaps whipping up some themed soaps for Valentine's Day? This mold covers all the bases. Its size is just right. Each cavity is about 1 inch wide and deep, ideal for bite-sized creativity or gifts. The design is also beginner-friendly. It's sturdy enough to sit flat without spilling but flexible enough to bend or fold for storage. So even if you have limited space, these molds won't clutter up your kitchen drawers or craft bins. And of course, safety hasn't been overlooked. feehope has gone the extra mile by verifying each item through Amazon's transparency program, ensuring you get exactly what you ordered, no knockoffs, no surprises. After trying this product across different mediums, from cake batter to candle wax, we can confidently say it performs beautifully every time. It's no wonder it holds a near-perfect rating and is gaining popularity fast. To sum it up, the feehope 3-piece heart silicone mold set isn't just cute, it's reliable, durable, and delightfully easy to use. Whether you're making chocolate for a loved one or crafting homemade gifts, this mold is a heart stealer in every sense. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss out on our next top-rated find. See you next time.